Hello YouTubers, welcome to Two Awesome Tutorials, and today I'll be demonstrating Lawnmower CAD model. So here, first of all, I'll be showing you that the exterior and the overall look of the lawnmower that I've designed. I've designed this a couple of weeks ago, and it took me about 4 to 5 days to finish off the whole model. And also it's available to download, and the link is in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the exterior here, as you can see, is quite minimal. It doesn't have a lot of little detail to it. However, it does cover all the required and main components of a lawnmower. So first we'll have a look from the top of the lawnmower. You can see we've got the cover of the motor, with spacing, with gaps inside it to have heat removed from the motor compartment. And then we have batteries here with the battery casing for it. And then we have the handle of the main body. We have 4 wheels. From the side, as you can see, we've got the handle for the whole attached with the body for the lawnmower to carry it around. We've also got the grass catcher sort of frame where the grass catcher is attached. Could be made of natural plastic. And then if you go at the bottom of the lawnmower, you can see the blade attached to the motor and the main frame and the metallic frame of the more like structural frame of the lawnmower, which could be made of metal, flat metal, or some sort of rods, which you can attach together to make the structural frame for your lawnmower. And as you can see, both of the wheels, all the main components are attached together using this metallic frame. So we've got 2 wheels attached here, which goes to the motor in the middle, screwed to the motor as well as the body, and then which goes at the back to the rear wheels, and then to the main frame, if you can see at the back. So it keeps the whole body attached together and increases the strength of the model, as well as decreases vibration, because we have a motor running at high RPM, and I don't think the body plastic could hold that much of vibration within the system. And then here we go, a small compartment that is used for the grass catcher, to direct the grass that is been cut right into the inlet, and then goes out to the grass catcher, which is gonna be plastic or a net. And then here you can see the circular sort of pattern, which is used to accommodate the blade and the grass being cut. And from the front, you can see a little space for some LEDs if you would like to attach. And there's an opening here, so the grass is not being stuck into the plastic. And then the handle, we have height adjustment system for the handle, as well as for the kind of stuck here. Yeah, so we have height adjustment system for the handle, as you can see here, and a button to on and off the motor. And for the height adjustment of the wheels, we have added a height adjustment mechanism to each wheel. As you can see here, I'm gonna hide it if I can. Oops. Yeah, so you can see the height adjustment system, which is very simple and it does work. So you can use this clip here to lift off the locking rod, and then lock it in place in one of these pockets, and it's gonna hold the wheel that way. You can see from the bottom the 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 blade is also locked in place. So that's it for my lawnmower design. If you would like to see more designs and more tutorials on how to design or simulate uh, CAD models, then make sure you're subscribed to my channel, Too Awesome, and hit the like button if this video helped you. Thank you. Bye bye.